I thought it would be interesting to review some of the landing pages of the biggest media companies in America live during the Harris-Trump election. As you can see, we'll start off with one from the New York Times. This was early on, that had Harris at 3 and Trump at 23. You see they have the party affiliation color related to the numerical value, as well as the states highlighting the same. Here, instead of color, you actually see an image, a persona icon of Harris and Trump. Here, the numbers are much smaller. Therefore, the user has to concentrate and focus with intent to actually see the number, whereas in the earlier version, you can see it with a simple scan. NPR goes a different route with a bar chart, bar graph, with the numerical values below it, as well as values to come. That's pretty interesting. This is from Pew Research. They currently don't show any live content, but they do have some cool bar charts about some speculation that they were having on the 10th of October. Colors much more muted, really heavy on the importance of the article title. That's because this has a different application, not one to which is announcing numbers that get updated. Here we see a combo. The party affiliation color with that particular candidate's votes in so far number. They use an Illustrator, which is pretty cool. Really heavy, Bordoni-esque type font, very classy, and this is from The Guardian. NBC News, easy to digest. Here we have people's faces with the value of the votes they have obtained. I do like the ability to tab through different races' outcomes via the map. That's something unique. Routers I also thought was unique. Early on, it showed a state view, and as more values came in, it went to a farther away national view. And here we'll end off with New York Times once again, showing us both numerically and then visually on the map the current results.